How to use gold coins in Nintendo Switch. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your gold coins on your Nintendo Switch. So it's a really quick and easy process. So in order to redeem your gold coins linked to your Nintendo account for discounts on the purchases through the Nintendo Switch eShop, follow the simple steps. First of all, open the eShop and add items to your cart. Next, proceed to check out and select your payment method, which is choose the redeem points and follow the instructions on the next page to see the discount you'll receive. Each gold coin is worth 1 cent, so 100 gold coins equal $1 off. Make sure that you have enough coins for the purchase, and also review your order before finalizing the purchase to ensure the discount is applied. Remember, you can repeat this process as many times as you like. So this was all about how you can use or redeem gold coins in Nintendo Switch. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever we upload new amazing contents. Happy gaming and see you in the next video.